Yo, what's good, YouTube? My name is Ty, and this gaming channel is the X King Gaming. And today's video is about advice for new YouTubers. I've been doing YouTube for like 5 years now. I have two channels. I have a more channels like 4 or 5 years old. This channel it'd be a year old probably in the summertime. And I've learned a lot of things about YouTube on this journey and to speed things up. You know, what if somebody come to me, yeah, I want to start a new channel on this. How should I do it? I would tell them this. The first thing I would say is make sure that the topic you're doing videos about, you can see yourself doing for the next 4 to 5 years. Don't get to a topic that you don't find interest in, and then you can't see do long term. YouTube is long term. Okay. Number two, make sure that you realize that it'll take a long time to get a lot of views. So you can always take. Some people might take less. Some people take a long time. You always lean outside of take a long time because for most people it takes a long time to get up there with ranks and get monetized, stuff like that. So if you keep back your mindset, it'll take you a long time, you'd be better off. But if it takes you short time, that's a bonus. So it takes a while to get ranked. Number three, I would say post content weekly. Post content weekly. Whatever you do a YouTube channel, if I would start a new channel today, I would go through this checklist. I would say what subject I'm gonna do, how big the audience. I will see, is there a way to make money from that niche? How can I monetize that niche? Can I do a long term? Right? Can I see myself doing this for 4 to 5 years? And how many times a week am I going to post? So on my game channel, I do a video a day. I'm doing a video a day to get more views. On my main channel, I do 3 videos a week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I do 3 videos a week. Okay, and that worked out for me. That's my schedule. I can do that, but I did it in a different way. I cut all for the game channel. I cut all the content. I had like 40 videos that I have not published yet. So what I did was I took a Monday and I'll timestamp 3 videos to go live on Monday to go the next 3 days, and that's how I did it. So I'm comfortable doing 3 videos a day on my main channel and doing a video a day on this channel. So if I start a new channel, depending on what it is, how easy to make the videos, if it's something hard to make, I will probably, since I got this channel video a day and my other channel 3 videos a week, I'll probably do maybe a video a week on that third channel. The third channel is just something to get started with, but I will do a video a day. And what I would do is I'll cut 4 videos in one day. That way I'm good for the whole month. So this I cut 4 videos on Monday, and I can have my schedule every Wednesday a new video go live. I cut 4 videos on Wednesday. Now I'm good for the whole month. And I could skip the rest of the week. Come next week, shoot 4 more videos on Monday. Now I still have the current month done and my next month done on my third channel. But this is a brand new channel. If you do a video a day, better, great. If you do 4 videos a week, great. 3 videos a week, great. Pick a schedule you want to post. You want to post consistently. Consistency always works. No matter what business you're in, no matter doing YouTube, blogging, selling products, you're building your own business, you're doing real estate, whatever you're doing, if you're building shoes, if you have shoes, you're working on shoes, you have a t-shirt business, if you're consistently doing your business, if you're consistently working, you'll be rewarded. Okay, so that's what I truly believe. So if you consistently make videos on a regular monthly basis, you will win. So I would tell someone that be patient, and once you got that channel started, schedule out some videos to go live in the future. What we'll also do is start a second channel. Start a second channel on a different niche. You want to get that channel so your main channel is going, you got videos published, you're getting some decent views. Start your second channel, and let's say your first channel you're doing 3 videos a week. Okay, your second channel, you do a video a week and get that going, and because it takes a while for YouTube for you to get views on YouTube. So go ahead, put them seeds in the ground now. Start your second channel. To be my next thing. Start a second channel and do a video a week on that, and consistently do it. Okay, and those are my advice. Consistently post. Also use TubeBuddy. Use TubeBuddy. I have on both my channels. TubeBuddy is a keyword explorer. Is a thumbnail generator. It tracks the health of your YouTube channel. You do A/B testing for your thumbnail and titles. It has a COPPA scanner. It will scan your videos, make sure it's not made for kids. It's a comment moderator. It had a checklist of all of your keywords and a checklist of your videos to make sure it gets the most views. It has their own analytics for your videos. It's a good thing to get. It's a good thing to get. So my if you start a YouTube, if I start a new channel, I will always have TubeBuddy. I will always have TubeBuddy to give me keywords. It helps my channel so much. Target low competition videos to get more views. So I would definitely get TubeBuddy. It's like $5 a month for a channel. So you have two channels, you paying $10 a month, not really no money. I would definitely get that and use that. So my advice would be to start a channel, post consistently, post, get a frequency, post good content, post content that will help people or entertain people. Get TubeBuddy as well. If you want to download TubeBuddy, I have a link in the description below for TubeBuddy, and that'll be it. To start creating content and post. My name's TylerSking.com. Thanks for watching.